So why today's topic is very, very important. Cyber security data analytics is rapidly growing in this. It is an emerging field in the right now in industry. So that's why we are using machine learning and deep learning to analyze the data generated from various cyber security resources or sources. So wherever data is presented, there is a cyber security issue is presented. That's why machine learning and deep learning playing vital role in order to implement cyber security applications. The main goal of cyber security data analytics is to detect and prevent cyber attacks, malicious attacks, and vulnerabilities, and identifying and enhance the overall security of a system in the case of system, server, and data center. That's why machine learning and deep learning techniques are used to analyze large volumes of data. That means huge volume of data to identify patterns, to identify combinations, and to identify threats, vulnerabilities, and anomalies. We are using a classification technique, clustering technique, association rule mining technique, outlier detection algorithms, and deep learning algorithms such as CNN, RNN, and various frameworks such as Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Seaborn, various libraries we are using in order to implement cyber security data analytics. These techniques use algorithms that learn from historical data to predict the future events. That's why cyber security professionals like cyber security engineers, faculty members, to detect potential threats and attacks, cyber criminal activities, cyber crimes before they occur, minimizing the impact of cyber attacks against from the cyber criminals, cyber malicious attackers, and criminals, cyber criminals. That's why machine learning and deep learning techniques are essential tools for cyber security data analytics. So that's why professionals too, they are analyzing large volume of data quickly and accurately and detecting potential attacks, threats before they occur. So the process of applying machine learning and deep learning techniques in cyber security data analytics, it involves data collection. First, we are collecting log files, network port scanning, and threads, system files, log files, and we are collecting data collection. Then we are performing pre-processing. We are eliminating noisy data, redundant data, inconsistent data with the help of binning, box plot techniques. We are erasing redundant data. Then feature extraction followed by the model training. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. So we are using 75% data for training, 25% for testing. And our model is predicting accurately or not, correct or not. And then evaluation, we are using validation metrics like precision, recall, and confusion matrix, and FN square, F1 score, various validation metrics we are using. Then finally, the product, if you implemented that product, we are deploying into the market. That is called a deployment. Some of the machine learning and deep learning techniques used in cyber security data analytics include supervised learning. What is meant by supervised learning? See, in childhood days, our parents are feeding the data like this is a car, this is a train. In your brain, it is fixing. Yes, you are learning. You are learning from the instructions from the adults. So that means there is a label, there is a target class, we are classifying the data. After 1 year, 2 years, the child is able to identify this is a car, this is a train, this is a flight based on the supervised learning. So example, so it can use to detect malware based known features or criminal activities and vulnerabilities, errors, mistakes, and attacks we are going to classify with help of a supervised learning.